Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a chatbot with chatbot.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a chatbot with chatbot.com, start by visiting the chatbot.com website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Bot button on your dashboard. Choose the type of bot you want to create, such as a sales bot, support bot, or a custom bot. Select a template that fits your chosen type or start from scratch. Once you've chosen a template, you will be taken to the Bot Builder interface. In the Bot Builder, you can edit the welcome message that your chatbot will send to users. Customize the text, add images, or include buttons to guide users through interactions. Next, create user flow by adding questions and responses based on possible inquiries. Use the Add Block feature to create a new interaction and define the conditions for when each block will trigger. You can also add quick replies or buttons to streamline user responses. To improve engagement, consider incorporating rich media like videos or carousels. Once you are satisfied with the flow, test your chatbot using the preview feature. This will allow you to see how users will interact with your bot in real time. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. Next, set up your bot's integrations if you want to connect it with tools like CRM or email marketing platforms. Go to the Integrations tab to view available options and follow the prompts to connect them. After your chatbot is fully configured and tested, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button to make your chatbot live. You will receive a unique link to your chatbot, which you can share or embed on your website. Monitor the performance of your chatbot through the Analytics dashboard. This feature allows you to track user interactions and improve your bot based on user behavior. Make iterative adjustments as needed to enhance user experience. Follow these steps to create a functional and effective chatbot on chatbot.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.